How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. This episode is just very short. I'm gonna do a little review. A company from Amazon, they contacted me a few days ago, and I'm really happy to work with them. So this company name is Bingdle. You can find them on Amazon, but anyways, I'm gonna put the link of their products, of their wiper blades in the description, so you can go directly there to get these wiper blades. So this is the package. You guys know Amazon Prime. The day after you purchase this, or the day after they say they was gonna send it, it gets here, and the package is really good. That's the brand right there, Bindle. And those wiper blades, I'm gonna do the test, see how they work. But accordingly to my research, this type of rubber that they have is gonna last 30% longer than your regular wiper blade. This wiper blade, it has high carbon steel memory. This wiper blade is really quiet because it has Teflon technology and natural rubber. So currently to them, they contact me, they told me to try it. They probably later on I'm gonna do some giveaways on these ones, but first I gotta use them and give them a feedback. Maybe later on I'm gonna do little giveaways on these wiper blades, so you guys can let me know and let the company know how their product works. So I'm gonna open this package. I'm just gonna use one because they are the same side. So I'm gonna use it on the driver's side. If I like them and they work really good, I'm gonna ask them to give me the small one for the passenger side, because I believe that one is 16, this is 19. So I'm gonna be able to use one. I don't even want to open this package. You see how good it looks. So thank you again to Bindle, because they provide this for free, so I can do the test. And if you guys wanted to get this product, like I said, it's very affordable, and they said they last a very long time and they're really good quality. We are about to test that out. So let's open the package. I don't even want to open this thing. It looks really good. But anyways, hopefully I can get some more later on to do a little giveaway for you guys. So let's try one for now, and let's see if they're really good. So the material is good. It has some really good curve to it, so it's gonna hug your windshield a lot better than some other products that they have metal on it. This is all rubber, and hopefully on the corners around this part right here is gonna go all the way. So let me remove mine and install the new one, see how it works. And this one is not really all, but let's try the new ones. I'm really excited to try these new products. You just open this part, insert your wiper blade, close it. It's really good. I like it already. So we have the wiper on. Now let me try it, see how it looks, see how it sounds, see how it performs. So overall, it looks really good. Like I said, this is just the first time that I'm putting this wiper blade. I don't know how good they're gonna work with the sun, with ice, with all this wear and tear. For now, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna try to see if they can improve on something. But for now, that's what we have. Wiper blades from Bingdle. Check them. If you like them, please let me know. So I would like to get feedback from you guys. So that's all I have for this episode, guys. I wanted to thank Bingdle for this opportunity. I'm really excited to work with these companies. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.